PM Imran Khan looks dapper in this viral throwback video, check out. Supporters of Prime Minister Imran Khan are swooning over a throwback video of the former Pakistani cricket captain taking part in Basant festivities, which mark the start of spring season every year. With Vital Signs Hum Hain Pakistani song playing in the background, the former cricket hero is seen flying a kite, surrounded by a group of friends in the clip. The video, shared by multiple Twitter accounts, has garnered thousands of views, likes and retweets. A user said the video was filmed during 1990s, without mentioning the exact year. Imran Khan founded his political party, the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI), in 1996 and went on to become the Islamic Republic's 22nd Prime Minister in 2018.